Hi guys, Totallydubbed here, and today I'm doing a video overview and unboxing of the Abkoncore TN850W fully modular PSU. Now I'd like to thank Abkoncore for sponsoring this video. If you'd like any more information or indeed would like to purchase this PSU, do check out in the links in the description below. Without further ado, let's get into it. So let's go ahead and open the box and see what we actually get inside. So with the box open, you can see over here you've got a manual and a bit of information as to what you get in terms of how you might want to connect them. So let's go ahead and get the PSU out of the box. So here's the PSU. Make sure you do get rid of all the film covers if you do see them. In terms of its connector, as you might expect, it's got on and off switch and it's got a kettle plug connection. Around the side you can see the logo, the Abkoncore logo and the Tenergy, and then also a bit of more information in terms of its power. So this is a 80 plus gold-rated PSU, so that's pretty high up on the scale, and of course, as I said before, 850 watts to play around with. Now this is also a fully modular PSU, so you can see over here you've got the different pin connectors, and I'm going to get the connectors out right now. Now here are all the cables. You can see you've also got some cable ties and also some PSU mounting screws. For me, I've got a kettle plug with an EU plug, but of course you can replace this with any sort of kettle plug no matter in which country you live in, and of course it might vary depending what territory you are where you buy the PSU. Now in terms of the cables that you'll use to connect up to your computer, you've got a 20+4 pin, an 8/4+4 pin, a 12 volt 8 pin, a PCIe 6+2 pin, 9 SATA cables, 3 Molex 4 pins, and 1 FDD cable as well. Now it's worth knowing the cables aren't sleeved in a certain color or anything like that. They're just all black, so it's just worth bearing that in mind in terms of matching that with your PC case. Of course, you could buy sleeves if you do want to customize that as well. Now I'd also like to quickly talk about the power efficiency of the PSU. I did mention before it's 80 plus gold, but what that means is at 10% load you've got 91.18% efficiency, at 20% load 91.96%, at 50% 91.65%, and at 100%, and therefore you get the 80 plus gold rating, it's 88.57%. Now these are quoted by Abkoncore and they'll be listed on Abkoncore's website. Now speaking about power, it's also worth bearing in mind the standby power that this uses. It's, at least according to Abkoncore, at less than 1 watt, so that's pretty eco-friendly and therefore is not going to be drawing too much power from the wall when your computer is completely off. Again, your mileage may vary depending on what appliances you do have connected up to your PC. So for example, if you've got a USB standby on and you have got your phone connected, then therefore it will be drawing power from the PSU and indeed from the wall. Now, as for the cooling fan, it's a 135mm cooling fan, which again Abkoncore state to be an extremely low noise fan, so just worth bearing that all in mind. Another big thing is the fact that this comes with a 10-year guarantee. That's pretty good going, given that other manufacturers might not offer as much. So 10-year guarantee with this PSU is pretty good. I mean, to be honest, you're probably going to replace your PC multiple times in 10 years, but nevertheless, it's good to see that this PSU comes with that guarantee. And finally, I just want to showcase what Abkoncore we're talking about with the idle usage. You can see right now I've got a wattage meter which is connected up to my multi-plug, and it's a complete wire mess over here. But you can see the PSU is connected on its own, and yes, it's on cardboard, not on carpet. And I'm just going to switch it on right now, and you'll be able to see the usage goes up to 3.4 watts and then goes to 0, and it idles at around 0.1 to 0.2, so pretty much bang on, if not anything less than what Abkoncore were claiming with the 1 watt usage whilst on idle. So there we have it guys, that's been my overview and unboxing of the Abkoncore TN850W PSU. Let me know in the comments below what you make of this PSU. Of course, as always, like, favorite, and share, and subscribe, and all that good stuff, as it'll help the channel grow. Alright guys, I've been TotallyDubbed. Take care, and bye-bye.